Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Chevy Traverse seats. First, gather your essential tools, including a socket wrench set, a trim removal tool, and a flathead screwdriver. Before starting, always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the parking brake firmly engaged for safety. It is also crucial to disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical issues during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe removal experience. Now let's tackle the second row seats. Begin by locating the 4 mounting bolts that secure each seat to the floor. Use your socket wrench to carefully remove these bolts. Next, gently disconnect any electrical connectors or wiring harnesses located underneath the seat. These often power features like seat heaters or airbags. With the bolts and connectors free, tilt the seat back, and with the help of a friend, carefully lift it out of the vehicle. These seats can be quite heavy. Moving on to the third row seats, the process is quite similar. First, fold the seats flat to gain better access to the mounting hardware. You will typically find 4 to 6 bolts securing the entire third row seat frame to the vehicle's floor. Use your socket wrench to remove these bolts. Just like the second row, carefully check for and disconnect any electrical wiring harnesses that might be attached to the seat assembly. Once all connections are free, the third row seat can be carefully lifted out. After successfully removing your seats, remember to store them in a safe, dry place to prevent any damage. When you are ready to reinstall them, simply reverse the steps we've covered. Ensure all mounting bolts are securely tightened to their proper specifications for safety. Double-check all electrical connections before reconnecting the negative battery terminal, which should always be the very last step. Taking your time during reinstallation ensures everything is secure and functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.